In this video, I will show you how to seek a customer approval for a job card. Why is approval sent for a job card? In general, we have attenders coming from a company for the servicing of the company car. In certain cases, the company has to approve the service done for the car. In this case, we seek approval from the customer. Let's see how this can be done in MyBook. Once you have completed the necessary detail filled in job card, you can see an option below as Save and Approve. The approval request will be sent in email to the customer. Once the customer opens the email and click on the link, they can see the job card details and approve. After the approval from the customer, job card status changes to approved. I hope you found this video useful. In case you face any difficulty in sending an approval for job card of your own and need help, please click on the Need Help button in this video and let us know. We will call you and help you with the same. Thank you and see you soon.